Will clearing data and cache on Google Play Store delete my installed apps?
Hello there. Today we're addressing a common question many Android users have. Will clearing data and cache on Google Play Store delete my installed apps? It's a valid concern, and we're going to dissect this topic and give you a clear answer.
What does clearing cache and data mean?
Clearing cache or data on your Android device is a typical method to solve various issues, from freeing up device space to resolving app glitches. However, what does this process entail? Clearing cache means removing temporary files that an app stores for faster access in the future. It's like tidying up your room to make it more spacious. On the other hand, clearing data is more akin to a reset. It means removing all files, settings, accounts, databases, and so on that the app has created. It's like moving out of your room and leaving it as if you were never there.
What happens when you clear Google Play Store data and cache?
When you clear data and cache for the Google Play Store, it essentially resets the app to its default state. It means it will forget your login details, settings, and any temporary files it stored for faster operations. It won't remember any custom settings or personalizations you've made within the Play Store.
Does it delete my installed apps?
And now for the main question. Will clearing data and cache on Google Play Store delete my installed apps? The answer is no, it won't. Your installed apps are stored in a separate location on your device and are linked to your Google account. Clearing data and cache on the Google Play Store won't touch these installed apps or their data. All your apps will remain intact on your device. So there you have it. Clearing your Google Play Store's data and cache can help resolve issues and free up some space, but it won't interfere with your installed apps. Remember, however, that it will reset the Play Store app to its default state. Thanks for tuning in, and we hope this video has been helpful in addressing your concerns.